Hello, Vince here with Pacific Digital Signs. We are showing off this new installation out at the Hawaii Convention Center. As you can see, this has the looks of a beautiful koa wall combined with a video display. These are luminous LED panels, so you can see through them somewhat. They can be wood, stone, metal, any type of textile design, and combined with this dynamic video wall. So as you can see, logos, text messages, animations, really perfect for hospitality environments where aesthetics are important even when the display is turned off. One of the things you'll notice as we get a little closer here is the beautiful koa wood pattern, transforming what would normally be a traditional surface into a landscape of ambient lighting and design and messaging, really adding a lot of wow factor and surprise to guests as they experience the content. This does help to elevate the guest experience and create a more engaging and compelling calls to action. For more information, you can reach out to pacificdigitalsigns.com.